Hi everyone, good morning, and today I am very much excited to share with you all the first gaming application that I developed with help of Gemini as an AI, and I used Next.js and Tailwind and Vercel in order to get it deployed. So I have hosted the project in the Vercel. I've deployed it over there, and also I will be sharing the Git repo. And the game follows a lifelong learning philosophy that I also follow. That daily we need to code, we need to do exercise. We need a balance. Basically, the right balance it is talking about. So this gaming console, this gaming application is all about having a good balance in order to become good in whatever we do. So in my free time, in my weekends, I developed this gaming, the application. So guys, yes, let's go through it.
So let's now talk about this gaming application that I developed in my weekend. So in my free time, I was thinking of creating an application with the help of AI. So I chose Next.js, where I was able to build it and then deploy to Vercel. So this application is now deployed. So you can have access to this link. I will share all these links in description. The link for the Git repo and the link for this application. So you can play around this. So I'm very happy to share with you all that I have developed this application with Gemini, and I found Gemini very helpful in coding too. It is very good for image generating also, but in coding also I found it very useful. So basically, this is the application which I right now I'm running in my local server, localhost 3000, and this one is which I have already deployed. So I will be pushing more changes to it as I get time. But right now, this is the first version. This is the first gaming version that is available to you all. And so what this application is all about. So this is like my philosophy, which I follow. This is like you have a mind, you have body, you have soul, you have digital fog. So digital fog is the time that get wasted and also which drains our energy. So this is the digital fog meter that will indicate that, and this is the learning. So when you are learning, right, as I click on learning, when you are learning everything is increasing, but when you are scrolling and you are seeing the like regular scrolling you are doing and seeing the videos that are not useful to you, seeing the shorts, the reels that are not useful to you. So what this will do, this digital fog meter will increase. See, I'm doing scrolling. I'm continuously clicking on this scrolling. So my digital fog meter is getting increased. So as soon as it reaches 70%, attention fragmented, clear fog to go. This warning will also come here. And as I keep on scrolling, like if I keep on watching videos, the shorts which are not useful, then see this power is been decreasing for body. Mind power is also decreasing. Soul power is also decreasing. And so, and how to clear this? We go to sleep, right? I go to sleep, then I wake up next day. So next day again my body, my mind, everything is full, and I have again the vision to utilize my whole day for a great cause. So this is my philosophy. And so again, if I do scroll, see again on the next day, if I again waste my time in scrolling, then again digital fog, this meter will increase. It means the digital fog, so it is blurring your motivation, it is blurring your goals. So if I, and how can I like reduce it? Then if I so I have like, I have garden. I am a generation farmer. So my parent, my grandparents, they were farmers. So in my free time I do water plants, I take care of my this vegetables, my backyard farming. So that's how I increase my productivity levels. So that's how I enjoy, or I do yoga. See, if I do scrolling and I water plants, See, digital fog is now reduced. It is almost reduced. Or I do scrolling and then I do yoga. So by yoga, I'm now increasing my energy, and it will. There is a little time you will find it in code that how I have done. So you will have to visit the code in order to find out how these buttons are working and what is the logic behind them. So after doing yoga, basically your power is increasing, your focus and meditation is increasing. So that's how digital fog is getting cleared, and these powers are getting increased. And here it will show your coding experience. So as you are learning, so your coding experience is getting increased. So these are the indicators, meters that we have in this dashboard. So, and also I have attached the readme section, and let me show you the readme part. So this is a readme file. Here you will see. So because I live in this in this place which is named as Chakalwa, so I have named here the 100-year life protocol. And because this region is located on the Shivalik foothills, and from here we have the mountains starting like Nainital, and all the beautiful hill stations are starting right from my place, right from like uh, in 2-3 kilometers the hills start. So it is a very beautiful landscape where I live. I can clearly see the mountains from here, very near to me, like in 1 or 2 kilometers itself. So so that's how I've written all these. So Chakluva is a mindful life operating system designed for a long-term developer, and I'm a developer with around 10 years of experience now. So this is set against the atmospheric backdrop of Nainital, India, which is like half an hour from my home. It integrates high-level software engineering with grounding reality on organic farming and physical vitality. This is not a game of levels that reset. It is a permanent record of continuous growth. So this was my philosophy behind this game, that there is no level or there is no, no stages. You have one life of 100 years, right? For suppose 100 years. So you are having a continuous growth. If you are doing farming, if you are doing anything, exercise, yoga, you're coding, software engineering, so you are having continuous growth. So that is what my aim, and I will keep on adding the new stuff into this application to make it more beautiful day by day. And the philosophy, modern productivity often leads to burnout, right? We can understand because the time, the the deadlines, and various things are responsible for this burnout. So modern productivity often leads to burnout uh, through fragmented attention. Chaklova operates on the three core pillars: the 100-year path. Your coding and farming wisdom are cumulative. They represent a lifetime of skill building that never expires. And the attention economy. So this is all you can go through. So it distinguishes between the growth learning, useless distraction, that is when you are just scrolling it, right? The unwanted stuff which don't require. So it is draining your energy. Organic reset. It recognizes that antidote. Digital fog is not more technology. It's you know the organic reset. The organic reset is its nature, yoga, and sleep. So this is what keeping your energy levels good. Core features. In core features, we are talking about like we are located. This is located on the base of the dashboard. The terminal is your workstation, and all this. So whenever your digital fog that we see in the application, right? When my digital fog is increasing, so as soon as I do scrolling 70% and above, it will give us warning. Attention fragmented, clear fog to code. So core features. In core features, basically we have this mindful push, fog constraints. You can go through this. That's why I've documented it. It is very well documented, and you can clearly understand from this documentation. And we have these features, basically the execution engine, the backyard orchard and farm, and digital fog and harmony pillars. So harmony pillars consist of mind, body, soul, and fog. And backyard orchard farm, morning ritual like watering plants, weekend farm day. And the technical stack, if I talk about, is framework I have used Next.js 14 plus, app router, and state management I have used Zustand with persistent middleware. So this is the first time I have used this state management tool, that is Zustand with persistent middleware, because when I was using Gemini So it recommended me this. So I think the AIs are using this. They are preferring this. Previously, I've used NGRX, RX, this Redux, Redux Saga middleware with Redux, and Mobex, and played with the simple RxJS tools for state management in React application and in Angular application. So, like I'm having experience around 10 years in React and Angular. So these all state management I have used. But right now in this application, first time I've used Zustand. So this is also kind of state management with persistent middleware. And for styling, I have used Tailwind CSS. I think uh, this is getting preferred. This is what AI is suggesting. So this we should, if you are not using it, we should get familiar with Tailwind CSS. It is now being modern, very commonly used in AIs. So icons is Lucid React, and real-time data I'm getting from Open Weather API, which will show the weather, what is the temperature right now in our area, that is Nainital, so that you can see dynamically in my dashboard. How to get start? This is how you can clone. This is how you can install the libraries. This is how you can run and build our project. So this all you can go through, guys. This application I developed in my weekends, in my free time, and just to get familiar with how AI is helping us. So previously I've used ChatGPT Copilot, but this is the first time I'm using Gemini, Google Gemini for coding support. So thank you for very much Gemini for thank you very much Google for this amazing software that we have, Google Gemini. And so yeah, guys, you can go through this code and you can be familiar with the Next.js and also be familiar with the developer mindset if you are also targeting, the lifelong learning. So thank you all and take care, guys, and I will be coming up with lot more interesting projects. So please please, follow my channel. Do subscribe in order to get the latest updates, and do like and share. And thank you, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.